guys, right here coming up on the right, this black awning sticking out, that's the Viper Room. That was opened up by Johnny Cat. This is the one that River Phoenix died at. Burgers, owned by Mark Wahlberg. We got some really good burgers there too. And for my Selling Sunset fans, right there on the right, there's your Oppenheim group. Over there on the left with the yellow awning, that's Mel's Diner. That's a film location for Pulp Fiction.
See that one I'm interested in.
Another great example of nobody starting off famous. This is a comedy club. It's owned by the Pauly Shore family, guys. Look at some of the names on the banner up there. You can't get more famous than these guys. Eddie Murphy, Martin Lawrence, Whoopi Goldberg, George Carlin, Whoopi Goldberg, they're all up there. Jim Carrey, Steve Harvey. That's a steakhouse called the Saddle Ranch. It's a film location for The Bachelor and The Bachelorette. This is a really fun one to go into at night. If you guys go in there at night, you're going to see all the drunk people in there trying to ride the mechanical bull inside the restaurant. That shit's hilarious. That is hilarious. I learned the hard way. You guys, when you see somebody really wasted and they can barely climb on the bull, do not be chewing on food. Because when that thing spins around, you see that drunk limp body flying through the air, you are going to start to do off of that. Chateau Vermont, right here on the left, you guys. This is like famous hotel. Marilyn Monroe stayed there. That's the one that John Belushi for the Blues Brothers overdosed at. You guys, the best Mexican food on the strip, right here on the right. Pinches Tacos.
Pinches Tacos? Órale.
And we're back at McDonald's land. You guys check out the drive-thru though. You got to go into a dark tunnel to get your Happy Meal.
We should have got some pinches tacos.
Seinfeld. We just had George Lopez there. Everything's rock and roll in this part of West Hollywood, you guys. Even the local grocery store on the left. That's not Ralph's, that's rock and roll Ralph's. They probably display it on the glass out front. Motley Crue, you guys, they made a music video. You guys have probably heard the song, Girls, 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 Raising Hell at the Seventh Veil. The Seventh Veil's right here on the right. That's actually where Motley Crue made that music video. It's all about that bound chicken, chicken, bow wow. Even the local liquor store on the left has got a mural with Guns N' Roses out front. Alright, so we are coming up on Hollywood Boulevard. You guys, one thing that's pretty cool about Hollywood Boulevard, all the famous buildings are in one block. The Chinese Grauman Theater, where they have the handprints in the concrete, the Dolby Theater, where they do the Oscars every year, Madame Tussauds, Wax Museum, the Capitan Theater, the Roosevelt Hotel, Jimmy Kimmel Live is right there, the Hard Rock Cafe Hollywood. All that stuff is in one block, and that's where all the street performers are at. If any of you guys would be interested in ending your tour on the Walk of Fame, I can drop you guys off right before all the famous buildings. You guys, this will give you a chance to go up and explore, get pictures of all the street performers and all that stuff, and then you guys would have about a 15-20 minute walk back to the office. But that's an option, you guys. I'm not going to force you guys. If anybody is interested in getting off early and taking a walk down the Walk of Fame, just let me know and I'll pull over and let you guys out. How many of you guys Ubered? Did anybody Uber? You guys all drove? Fine. You guys feel like a walk? Yeah, they're like, hell no. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's good. Did you guys know that these celebrities have to pay for their stars? Yeah, they're $50,000. 50. Yeah, what an honor, huh? It's an honor you got to pay for, sucker. You guys, the Walk of Fame is broke down into 5 main categories. Each star, that if it has a name, it's going to have an icon. that icon is the category. It is TV, music, movies, live performance, and comedy. It's been that way for a long time. It might be changing. The Hollywood Chamber of Commerce right now, they're voting on whether they want to add another category. You guys are talking about adding sports to the Walk of Fame. That's crazy. There's 3,000 stars on the ground. They've already used up 2,700. So if they add sports, it's over with. We're actually going to have to add more stars. Alright, so I will be pulling over just up the street in front of the Roosevelt Hotel. That is right before all the famous buildings. And where all the street performers are at. You guys have fun? Alright. You guys, I am going to leave you guys with a very friendly note. The tour drivers here in Hollywood, we do this job just like a waiter, you guys. We do it for the tips. The big difference is we don't get an hourly wage or a salary. You guys, that's why all the tour vans you see driving around in Hollywood, they all got crazy signs like this in it, and that's the reason why. You guys, any gratuity is going to be appreciated. The most important thing is, you guys have fun. It's kind of cool, you guys, they shut the street down so cars can't drive down the street. Whatever the movie is, they'll come out and they'll build the props for the movie right out in the street. And then the celebrities will come and promote their movie. They did the premiere for F9 down here. We had some cars from the show just ripping up and down the street. It was pretty cool. Madame Tussauds Wax Museum on the left, that's a really good one. That's the best one we got, actually. Chinese Drama Theater on the left, this is the one I was telling you about with all the handprints and the concrete. You guys, that is all original from 1927. Everybody recognizes that from Rush Hour. And then you got the Hard Rock Cafe Hollywood on the left. You guys, the Dolby Theater on the left, that's where they do the Oscars every year. And then right here on the right is the Jimmy Kimmel Live Show. Spot's pretty good too. You guys, Ripley's, believe it or not, right there on the right. Right after that is the Guinness World Book of Records. On the left is the Hollywood Wax Museum. You guys, one ticket gets you into all three. And the Museum of Illusions right there on the left is pretty good too. They got an upside down room. They got the giant house in there. And the Egyptian Grommet coming up on the right. You guys, that's the oldest theater in Hollywood. This one opened up in 1918. This is where they had the first film where you could hear the people talking. And they called it a talkie film. Escape Hotel on the left, that's an escape room on steroids.